Folks, just a quick video to talk about how the current week has evolved and what we've been doing in VIP. I haven't had much time to post a video in this community for a while, so that's why I've come up to talk about what we see in the markets. I've been quite busy with the VIP community. Now, Monday, we've come down into a very key level. I did post a setup in VIP. I was looking for a sweep of Friday's high and back down to this fair value gap, okay, which was a fair value gap created on Friday. We did not get the short setup that I was looking for, but we did get a move back down into the fair value gap that I have highlighted there, which was generated from Friday. You can see that here. So we've got to move down into there. Now, I did not take that long, but the VIP has now been trained to look for those setups, and they traded from that fair value gap on the left from this Asia session up to the high of Friday, which what I call the free cash Monday setup, because Monday will typically seek a liquidity pool from Friday, depending on how close Monday is to a liquidity pool from Friday. Typically, the Friday high or the Friday low will be targeted on a Monday. Okay, that then set us up for a short. Okay, after taking out Friday's highs there, because the market at that point when we're here has been rising since Thursday. If you recall, we've been going up from that 2600 level Thursday, Friday, and now also Monday, okay? And that sets us up for a much broader setup, okay, from the Monday highs down to at least the Monday lows. So I took a short, okay, on a 1 minute chart down to the low of Tuesday. That was a nice 200 pip move down with size, a 20 lot. So you can do the maths on that. I have shared my trade execution video with my VIP group for that particular trade. For the students, they were given this particular signal to trade that pump up we got on that particular day here. We have a pump up in the New York session on that Monday. Okay, so VIP was short from this pump up. Okay, I was short a bit higher, and the target was the low of Asia, which we got Tuesday morning. So VIP were quite happy to jump on that trade. A fairly stress-free trade from the signal, so pump up, okay, and target down to these lows here, which is basically the low of Tuesday, okay. That was it for me. That was my week done. One trade all the way down, 200 pips, 20 lot. So that was a high probability setup, not just because we have taken out previous daily highs, but because we've been going up since Thursday, right? So we've been going up Thursday, Friday, and then Monday has opened lower and then pumped up. And that's where that setup has come to play. Okay, VIP students then continued to have a great few sessions after I had closed out my week. So VIP have been trained to look for these setups. Okay, love the day, love the week. They have been trained on the exact entry techniques for those at the right times, at the right price levels. And so students took this long, okay, and closed out at the high of Asia. Okay, some students also took this short, right? So in VIP, we're learning to trade the markets in both directions. There was a nice short from high of London down to a very key level that VIP know about. And then some VIP also took this long from New York. If you look at your 4 hourly chart, there is a 4 hourly bullish order block. And then that move was nice, again, to take out high of Monday. Okay, I think the market needs a deeper pullback. So currently, I'm expecting a movement down at least to the low of Tuesday, if not lower. Okay, so go back. You need to study your charts, have a look at these setups. Okay, understand where these setups form. Right, that's important. So the long that VIP students took from the Asia session was based off of this fair value gap. Okay, that was produced on Friday. The short that I took was based on taking out the high of Friday and seeing that reversal on a 1 minute time frame and understanding the broader context that we have been going up since Thursday from 2600 all the way up to 2666. Okay, that's a pretty significant move. And then looking at where the market's pumping up to be a false move up for a reversal at a key time down to where resides liquidity, which will typically be at a previous session low, okay, like here in Asia, or a previous daily low, okay? And then looking for long opportunities at the low of a previous day and understanding what that setup might be, okay? And then targeting the highs of a previous day in the opposing end above which resides buy stops to offset long positions when acquired at a previous daily low. Okay, hope that video is useful. Come and join us in the VIP community. I hope to talk with you in a future video.